Welcome to the Academy of Proficiency. In this video, we'll share practical strategies to help you achieve a high score in the CELPIP Speaking exam, especially if you're aiming for CLB 9 or higher. Introduction to the CELPIP Speaking exam. The CELPIP Speaking exam is designed to test your ability to communicate effectively in various everyday situations. There are 8 tasks and each one assesses different aspects of your speaking skills, such as coherence, vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation. To excel, you need to understand the format, practice consistently, and focus on key areas for improvement. 1. Understand the scoring criteria. CELPIP evaluators grade your responses based on 4 key aspects. Content and coherence, your ability to present clear, organized, and relevant ideas. Vocabulary, the range and precision of words you use. Listenability, how natural and fluent your speech sounds. Task fulfillment, how will you respond to the task's requirements? Familiarize yourself with these criteria to understand what the examiners are looking for. 2. Practice structured responses. For each task, structure your answers to ensure clarity and coherence. Use the PREP method. P. Point, state your main idea. R. Reason, explain why it's important. E. Example, provide a specific example. P. Point, restate or summarize your main idea. For example, in the describe a picture task, describe the main elements first, provide a logical explanation of what might be happening, and end with your overall impression. 3. Expand your vocabulary. To score CLB 9 or higher, use a variety of vocabulary. Avoid repeating simple words and phrases. For instance, instead of saying, the picture is nice, say, the picture is vibrant and captures a joyful moment. Practice using synonyms, idiomatic expressions, and topic-specific terms. Create a vocabulary bank for common CELPIP topics like travel, work, and community. 4. Improve pronunciation and fluency. Speak clearly and naturally. Avoid speaking too fast or too slow. To improve, record yourself speaking and listen for errors. Use tools like tongue twisters to refine pronunciation. Practice shadowing, repeat after native speakers to mimic their intonation and rhythm. Fluency doesn't mean speaking quickly, it means speaking smoothly without unnecessary pauses or fillers like or 5. Time management. Each speaking task has a time limit. Practice answering within the allocated time. Plan your response during the preparation time. Stick to the main points without over-explaining. Use a timer during practice to simulate exam conditions. 6. Common mistakes to avoid. Giving generic answers, be specific and personal in your responses. Neglecting grammar, ensure your sentences are grammatically correct. Ignoring pronunciation, make an effort to pronounce words correctly. Overthinking, trust your preparation and avoid second-guessing yourself. 7. Practice regularly. Consistency is key. Practice each task type multiple times. Use online resources, speaking partners, or professional coaching to get constructive feedback. 8. Develop confidence. Confidence comes from preparation. On exam day, take deep breaths to stay calm. Focus on one task at a time. Remember, mistakes happen, keep going without hesitation. Closing thoughts. Achieving a high score in the CELPIP Speaking exam is possible with the right strategies and consistent practice. Understand the test format, use structured responses, and work on your vocabulary, pronunciation, and fluency. At the Academy of Proficiency, we are here to support your journey to success. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more tips on acing your CELPIP exam. Good luck!